We'll guide you through how to download and install GTA 5 on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. GTA 5 is a really great game. You can play it in story mode, or you can go and play it online with your friends. There are so many different things you can do in it. We do need to go and get a game launcher to go and get this. Open a web browser, and the game launcher we're going to use is called Steam. You may already have it. If you don't, go and search for it. Go to store.steampowered.com. Go to the top right and press Install Steam, and press Install Steam here. It's now gone and downloaded. You want to go and open up your file explorer and come to downloads. Find the Steam setup.exe and double click it, and we can then go and run through it. Go and press next. Go and run through it, press next, choose your language, and we can press install and wait. It may need to do an update, so be patient. When it finishes installing, it should automatically open, otherwise you can open it up. If you don't already have an account, you can press create a free account in the bottom right and go through the process. Otherwise, sign in. When it opens up, you can go to the store. Now what we need to do is go and type in GTA 5 like this, and we can go and search for it. Here it is, Grand Theft Auto 5 Enhanced. So there is an enhanced version, but you can also go and get the original version as well. Now you can scroll down and read about it. We do need to go and purchase it as it is a paid game. So we'll get this one here. We can press add to cart, and then we can go and press view my cart, and you need to go and pay for it. Choose a payment method. I choose PayPal, and we can then purchase. When it has, you can press library at the top. Go to the left and you'll go and see GTA 5 Enhanced and Legacy. So you can choose the version. I like to go and play Legacy. Then what you can do is go and click there, and you want to go and press install. Go and choose the drive. You can go and add more if needed, and then you can press install, press accept. Now go and wait. When it's finished, the install button will say play. You can click on it and get started.